Hey guys, this is your boy Dino aka DLP here and welcome back to another video to my channel. Another video of me reacting to Hololive once again, guys. Today, as you can see from the title, I'll be reacting to the best of Holo in the month of August. Now, I will be honest, in terms of August, the month of August, I haven't been watching clips as much. Just for the fact that my new job started, so the first 2 weeks of my new job was hectic, just for the fact that I was traveling from my old house to my job, and by the time I get home from my job it'll be 7 o'clock in the evening and I'll just go to sleep, guys. That's how it was for the first 2 weeks. So I barely had any time to do anything really. Then on top of that, I realized, you know what, I can't be wasting money. I'll go ahead and move to a new place. So here I am in this new place. As you can see, it looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty good. It looks clean. It looks clean, guys. That's what I'm on about. There's normally always a big mess on my bed, like Manthans was saying. But it looks clean. It looks nice. But yeah, so a lot has been happening during August time. So it was really hard to find time to watch clips of Hololive, I'll be honest. But that doesn't mean I didn't watch any. There were clips that I did watch. One of the clips that's more memorable to me had to be a clip. I don't know what game it was exactly. I think it was the Ian. It might have been the Ian members because I remember seeing Gora in it, Gal Gora. But I can't remember whether it was just Ian or whether just Hololive members in general. But Gora and a few other Hololive members were shooting and fighting, I guess, in this online battle, I'm assuming. Whether it was an online battle, whether it's just a group battle, I don't know whether it was online battle or not, I can't remember. So they're trying to hide they're hiding and they're trying to shoot the opponents. And obviously it was very intense, and it gets to the point where Gora kind of panics and she tries to throw a grenade at them, but she panics and she throws it up, like in the air above her, like it just goes straight up and it just comes straight down to where Gora and the other Hololive members were trying to hide away and shoot, and the grenade explodes and everyone dies. And I think they kind of showed it on multiple versions, like from different people's streams, different Hololive members' streams, and their reaction to it. That was pretty funny, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if that was the month of August. I can't remember exactly, but it was something I watched recently. I would have to say a few days ago, to be precise. Probably watched it on the 2nd or 3rd of August, I can't remember. 2nd or 3rd of September. It was a clip that I saw on YouTube, so I'm assuming that did happen in August. So that may come into best of Holo Ian. I mean, it says best of Holo Ian, right? So I'm assuming that the group with Gora were all Ian members of Hololive. You know, I'm so dumb, but you get what I'm trying to say. So I don't know whether that'll come into this video. We'll just have to wait and see. It's 10 minutes, guys, so 10 minutes is not bad. It's not bad, so let's see. Let's watch this, guys. If you guys want to grab something to eat or drink, go ahead. You can pause the video, that's totally fine. We got here. That's perfect. Yeah, this came out, September 4th, so a few days ago. Okay, hopefully everything seems okay. Alright, let's get to it, guys, shall we? Oh. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's get to this in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay,
no. Okay, I didn't expect it to be the very first clip of this video. Holy shit. People are just gonna think this is scripted. People are gonna think this is so scripted, man. Look, I did not watch the video in advance, no. Oh god, this is funny. This is too funny. Oh god, I don't even have my fan with me. I couldn't bring everything at once, so I would have to bring some during the weekend. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Funny. Guys, I did not watch this video in advance. I can tell you that I don't do that shit. But this is funny. Legit the first clip of the video, man. Yeah. Yep, there you go. There. So she's got the grenade ready, right? Then she gets shot.
Where'd they go? Oh god.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
She panics.
Oh my god, I died.
Oh my god. God. This is so bad. That was funny. Big fish. Oh, that was her name. Big fish. Wait, who's she?
Sorry, guys.
I can't tell who she was, I'm afraid.
Oops.
That's not your house. You walls are disgusting.
Okay, Iris and Kiara. Okay, they're playing Rust. Okay. Yeah, I've seen a few Rust videos that I've reacted to. The JP War, that was fucking jokes. That was probably one of the best Hololive gaming videos I've watched. It was a murder scene. Sorry, I'm coughing too much today.
What are those?
What are those?
No, this is destruction.
You live like this? Yeah. What can I do, man? What can she do? Budget. Budget sitting on. Oh my god.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Oh. Oh my. What do you mean? What do you mean you didn't mean to? You knew what you were doing. I was a precise headshot right there. That was a pretty good headshot. Something I can't ever do. Yes, Mathis, I can't ever do a headshot. Yes, I know. I know a lot of other people are gonna be like, Dino, you're shit at shooting games. Oh damn, Kiara's mad. Look at her. She's pissed. She's pissed. Look at her. Hey yo, I'm not gonna lie, yeah. Kiara, in my opinion, I don't think I'm biased about this, but Kiara might be the best looking Hololive member. Like, as an avatar, I feel like Kiara's up there, man. One of the best looking avatars in Hololive. I won't lie.
That's my.
Oh wow.
Mic test.
Regis Altair and Kobo.
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
Oh my god damn, it makes me laugh so much, I'm coughing like crazy. What was that exchange? Mic testing Kobo's short, yeah. Kobo just goes, yeah. Regis is shit.
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
I'm better at Valorant.
Yeah.
Damn.
Idol. Yeah.
Okay.
Damn.
Short little range.
Jesus Christ, man.
Asparagus.
Okay. Anyways.
What was that exchange?
What's the movie
Asparagus.
called? There was okay, I keep saying actually. I need to
Oh god.
that. I was not. What the heck? I just told myself to stop. I actually. Sorry.
This is too funny. I'm coughing so much. Stop making me cough, guys.
I am losing my mind. I'm in a really weird state.
Okay. Oh god, this is jokes. This is quality. Oh, what the heck?
Having a nice little
Oh.
massage session.
Oh, that looks like
out of your neck. Oh man.
that looks like something
Thanks,
else.
bro. Oh.
Need any healing?
No,
we're good.
girls allowed.
God.
No girls allowed.
I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why I'm coughing like this. Jesus. They're all making me laugh too much today. Okay. I remember Manthus and Hatch saying they did a collab. Holostars and Hololive members. Okay, I need to watch this actual stream. Manthus or Hatch, hit me up with the stream. Or anyone. It'll probably be in this video anyway, so I'll find it. I'm gonna watch the stream.
I'll stop streaming now. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hello. You've reached the recording message box of Amelia Watson. Please leave a message after the beep.
What the heck? What the heck?
Has been reached. Thank you. Please call again later.
Wow. Wow, Amelia. Amelia.
We know you're hovering over that button. We
Yes.
have a better button, we promise.
I don't care about the buttons, man.
I know the art of the blade.
While you were out having premarital I studied the blade.
What? Vespa, man. Vespa's a savage, I swear.
I don't know if you get paid for that, but it was worth it. It was 100% worth it.
God, Vespa, man.
I'm gonna take my. Okay, babe, don't say that on stream. I'm
Oh.
taking an article of clothing off. Okay.
Oh, she said she was gonna.
warm in here.
She said she was gonna take her shirt off.
Why would I take
I don't
my
know.
pantsuit off? That makes no sense.
Pants off.
Let's go ahead and introduce
Come
ourselves.
on.
Hello, my name is Regis Altair of Holostars English, leader of the Tempest Guild.
That's
Wow.
why it says so idol opening.
Okay,
Wow.
Thursday so idol opening, huh? Give it to me.
Kaba Kanairu at your service. Live with your son to shine your day. Kaba Kanairu, a Shaman from Hololive ID 30.
Oh dear, he's like, what the fuck is this shit? Oh my god. I need to watch that stream. Holy shit, there's so many streams I need to watch. O tier and Kobo as a combo. Bro, that is a that had to be a treat on my stream, fam. Damn.
I'm sorry, what was that? Speak, gift. I don't know what to expect from Gerda. Hey,
What the heck?
What do you-
She just tripped.
you don't need to give. I'm sorry? You don't need.
Why she just
But why?
Wow.
She have a car?
We still have further memes.
Come on, that's
Yeah.
where we have to form an alliance.
Hey Vespa, you want to form an alliance?
Yes.
Magni, we gotta form an alliance.
You're on your own, brother.
What?
Dave.
That
Dave.
means you're on your own too, you know?
Hey Dennis, you want to form an alliance too?
Oh, that sounds great, dude. Thank you.
Oh wow. Wow. The why let him alone?
Ah!
Guys, you can do it. You can do it, guys.
Okay.
The dream team. What
Oh,
are
no.
you doing?
Oh damn. What who is this who's this opponent?
I'm so sorry, guys. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave.
Crony, I'm very disappointed. What was the chumbolic performance? I mean, I bet you my subs would be like, you can't do any better, Dina. Fuck off. Something like that.
No! Let's go!
Is this allowed? What?
It's one of those party things.
What was she thinking?
Crony, what are you?
I just read that.
Turn for your clip, Crony.
Oh my god, Crony.
He said what? In the class?
I didn't say anything.
Oh yeah, you didn't have to.
Alright, first word. Here it goes. First word is.
Or novel.
How about you nobble on these nuts? Sorry, so bad. So bad.
4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, ladies, I want an explanation.
What? What? Oh my god. No. No, that did not just happen. That did not just happen. Oh my god. No, that did not just happen. Oh my god. What was that?
What the heck did you just write? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, it's right there. Go kill it.
Oh my god, Kobo.
Go do that again.
Don't ever you do that again.
Never. I swear. Oh my God. Ragus. I'll tell Mommy Kiwawa.
Wow,
I'll
Mommy
tell
Kiwawa.
Kiwawa.
Wow. Bruh, she's just like, alright, fuck you, then I'm gonna tell Mama Kiwawa for you. Kiwawa, she means Kiara, basically. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, once again, Regis and Kobo, I didn't expect them to gel so well. I'm just seeing a few clips from them and they're gelling so well. Oh, wait, here comes Fauna though. One with the cutest voice out there.
Funny, like her memes are killer, and I'm kind of jealous because I'm just like, Mama doesn't have good memes. I'm cringing. Mama's
I'm
kind of
cringing.
adorable.
I
I'm
want to turn
cringing.
it off. Stop it.
I recently done something similar.
She's hip with the kids.
Oh, what?
Cringe. Are you cringing yet? Did I make you cringe?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second.
Okay. I do remember doing something similar in the stream, actually. It was meant to be a Q&A stream, but then I ended up watching some of my old videos. Fucking hell, man. Like, those videos, in terms of my performance and my quality, Jesus Christ, man. It was, yeah, I have no comment, man.
Can I cut you guys a deal? I'll stream for 30 minutes longer if you stop
Okay.
with the super chats. Deal?
Oh.
Deal? Let's go! Okay, all right. We have a
Wow.
deal. We have a deal.
Wow.
Oh
What's
my
it?
God. Wait. Please stop. Please. It's a deal? Okay. Stop. We're done? We're done?
Oh my God. Nope. Who the fuck cares?
Oh, what a huge mistake. All right, 2 hours. 2 hours. This is my final offer.
Oh.
Fine. Please stop. Please, I'm begging you, please stop. My browser crashed.
Oh no, his browser
Thank
crashed.
you. Speaking of stretching, can you
Oh my
touch your
God.
elbows together? Can I? Wait, let me try.
Oh my God, no, Hakos.
Oh my God! Wait, is that a thing? Wait, how come? Wait,
Oh my
I just
God.
get baited. You can
got
if you're
baited.
flat. You can't if you're.
Oh my God. She fell for it so bad. Oh my God.
I don't know how to move on from this conversation.
Hakos, how do you fall for that? I remember I just saw a comment literally right there saying "Vip by mouse." Iron Mouse couldn't do it if I remember. Like, come on, Hakos, man.
What do I do? I didn't do
That's a
anything. You heard
rookie.
nothing.
Rookie.
Everything's fine.
Oh my gosh, we're hitting the spike.
Rookie mistake. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. Please don't roast me.
We got the smelter going, and hopefully we'll all have a good vibe.
Fuck you.
Wow. Wow. Oh dear. Fuck you.
Another one.
Oh, Ina playing Fortnite. Okay.
God, the stairs.
What the heck?
Did you win? Wait.
What the heck?
On my way.
Oh, you can carry people now? Wait a second, I just realized. Since when did Fortnite members can carry you? But that's a thing now? That's actually sick. Like, you can carry your teammate and get out of the area or get out of the place where people are still fighting, and then you can just take them to a place where it's best to heal them. That's actually sick, you know? Imagine if they were to implement that on Apex stuff. Imagine. This is sick.
I don't know how to get up there.
Wow. The Gundam dance. Are you serious? Oh, wait. Was that an opponent who did it? It was an opponent. It wasn't even a teammate.
Alrighty, guys.
Okay.
Have a good night. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What was that?
Thank God, I can finally stop talking to stupid voice I gotta do for the stream.
Yeah, that voice that you put on is kind of annoying, Des, honestly.
I know, it's like, hurts my throat. That's the real reason. It's like forcing my voice to sound like that.
Oh.
Shoot, it,
Wait!
Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, these Holo stars are amazing, fam. The Goro Grenade Team Kill is the perfect start to an explosive video. I'm not gonna lie, yeah. This video was quality. This month, August, was funny as fuck. Yo, I did not expect this month to be so damn funny. I was laughing so much that I've been coughing constantly throughout this video. I do apologize for that. for coughing a lot. I don't know what's wrong with me. I never coughed this much in a while, or I haven't coughed this much in a while. So please forgive me for that. This was quality though. Let's see what the comments are saying. Yo, the whole grenade thing from Gora, I honestly didn't expect that to be the very first video in this very first clip in this video. I didn't expect it. That's one of the few videos I have watched. Like I said, 2nd or 3rd of September, I saw a clip of it and I was like, that was pretty funny. That was actually pretty funny. But I didn't expect it to be the actual clip, very first clip of the video. So please, I did not cheat in any way or watch this beforehand. For now, I'm cringing, everyone. That's the best part. August was an amazing month. I could tell, man. There's a lot of good stuff here. Regis Ulti and Kobo collab. And then the Holostars and Hololive collab. I gotta watch these streams, man. I gotta watch more streams of the Holostar boys. It's just that, like I said, August was a very busy month for me. August was a very busy month for me, I won't lie. Especially the second half of August. Absolutely mental. So I will get back to watching these stuff. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Either way, I enjoyed the fuck out of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to it. So, on that note, I'll end the video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this reaction with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to smash the like button, comment, and share those good things to see more content on me doing more Hololive videos like this on a feature. However, if you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and join the DLP today so don't miss a single video from my channel. Well, there's reactions to Hololive reactions to anime reactions, which I'm doing at the moment, although I haven't done a second video to it since. I'm reacting.
My name's Dino.
Sorry. I'm reacting to Summertime Rendering, or started reacting to it. First episode, that's absolutely amazing. What I'll do is for the next video for Summertime Rendering, I'll do episode 2 and 3 together. I'll probably do that on Friday, most likely, because Friday I have a half day, so before I go home I can record it, upload it, and boom, get it out of the way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, on that note, this is your boy Tino signing out. Have a nice day, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, peace.